Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're a regular subscriber, then welcome back. I'm super excited today to share a creamy Caesar salad dressing with you that is not only nut-free, oil-free, but also dairy-free. So if you're looking for a healthy alternative to a traditional Caesar salad dressing, then this is the recipe for you.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So first up, I'm going to be using some plant-based milk. So today I'm using soy milk, but you could use any unsweetened plant milk that you like. Some oat milk would work perfectly well here, or almond milk. The choice is totally up to you. Next up, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of lemon juice to the plant-based milk, which will slightly curdle it and turn it into a vegan buttermilk. So if you're ever in need of a vegan buttermilk, then just put your 1 cup of plant-based milk and a tablespoon of lemon juice and you have a perfect buttermilk substitute. I'm also putting in 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. And now I'm adding in 2 small boiled potatoes. So this will add the thickness and the creaminess to this Caesar salad dressing. And I'm just going to start with 2 of these. I have more on hand. I always keep boiled potatoes on hand. I love them for quick meal prep. So if you haven't done my meal prep course yet, it shows you lots of tips and tricks to get in and out of the kitchen super quick and with healthy meals, so healthy plant-based meals, and also it shows you how to cook for other family members or friends who may not be eating a plant-based diet and how to incorporate ingredients for them and to keep everyone happy. So I'll leave a link to my meal prep course below if you do want to check that out. But one of the main things I do in there is show you how to use pre-cooked ingredients, things you can keep in the fridge on hand. And one of those ingredients that I like to use is boiled potatoes. So I've got 2 small ones going into this sauce, and I'll check on the texture and the consistency, and depending on how thick or thin you want your salad dressing to be, then just adjust the amount of potatoes that you put in. So this is now ready to blend up. And it's that simple. This has been blending for about 1 to 2 minutes and it's gone really, really creamy and delicious. And it's hard to believe that this is a low-fat version of a traditional Caesar salad dressing, and it tastes so delicious. So if you're looking to lower your calories and eat a healthier, more plant-based diet without traditional dairy and the traditional heavy vegan versions of this, which would incorporate cashew nuts, for example, then this is an amazing substitute. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think. And why not head on over to my Facebook group where I share lots of tips, tricks and ideas, and you can interact with others, share your photos, and I would love to see you there. I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Let's try. Yum. Oh, it's so good. Yum. Give it a try.